Hi everyone, I got Happy Mail. I can't wait to see what's in it. I just opened the slit right now, and it's from Jenn Stewart. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You made me an album? Oh my goodness. Jenn has her own YouTube channel, and oh my goodness. Look at how amazing this is. It is an actual book. Oh, okay. Let me see. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, so it's an album. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. That is so awesome, and I love it. Oh my gosh, and these come out. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, let's look through this. Oh, look how cute. So pictures everywhere. Are you kidding? I'm going to be putting pictures everywhere. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at, okay, so this comes out. So you can put pictures or, you know, message to your babies. It's not weird. And you get little pockets. Oh my gosh, and look at how fun is that? Oh my goodness. That is super fun. How neat. You are very, very talented. Oh my goodness, look at this. How cute is that? Oh goodness. What an amazing gift. Thank you so much. So you have these all come out. How cute. I love this, and I will treasure it forever. I love it. Oh goodness. Look at how cute everything is. Look at all these papers, you guys. Didn't she do an amazing job? So stinking cute. I just love it. Very, very talented. Oh, look at this one, goes up like that. These come out. Oh, look how cute. Fine boned. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. How cute. Can't wait to show Timothy. I can't wait to fill it, because believe me, girlfriend, I'm going to be filling it. And I'm going to print out the pictures of the babies and put them in here. And this another. There's so many just pockets and stuff. It's just really, it's really neat. I don't want to skip over any. This thing is so interactive. I love it. There's, I love the hearts too. This is amazing. It really is. You guys see? I'm like in awe. This is awesome. Oh, look how cute. Oh, look at this. And these are raised and they have glitter on them. That's so cute. I love the way they feel. Oh, look at how cute this is. A little bone. Paw print hearts. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, here's another one. Look at how cute. This is very, very awesome. Very professional. I like the way it holds it together right there. That's really neat. And this one goes up. Oh my goodness. What a thoughtful gift. It really is. What a very thoughtful gift. So cute. Oh my goodness. It's so big too. It's so thick and big and just, it feels sturdy. Like, you know, it'll be okay to have people look at it, you know, and open it. So that's really cool. There's another one. How cute is that? We'll hold her there. Oh, this is just amazing. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so glad I opened it up on camera because everyone has to see how cool that is. And it's so tiny, but it's so thick, which I love. If you're a TN, a traveler's notebook lover, you would, I think you would get a kick out of this because it's just, it's amazing. The chunkiness of it, and wait till I put pictures in. This is so cool. I can't thank you enough. This is really awesome. I can't wait to show Tim. So thank you very much, Jen. I appreciate it, and I love the Christmas card. I'll be showing my Christmas cards on week, when I do Project Life on week 52. So I'll show everyone's Christmas cards. All right, thank you so much. Big, big hugs. Happy New Year. Happy, happy New Year. Bye. I just want to say real quick too that Scrapping Posh, Jen Stewart, she has her own YouTube channel, which I will link in the description box, and she teaches you how to make them if you want to know how to do this, because yeah, I think you should, because it's really cool. So I just want to let you know that she does have a YouTube channel and that I'll link it. All right, thank you again, Jen. Bye.